second Chechen war, its legend remained, its legend remained. Through the smoke and through the gunfire, through the terror and the fear, the wolf of Chechnya marches with a purpose crystal clear. In the tales of those who witnessed, in the scars that still remain, the legend of the wolf lives on in the echoes of its name. The wolf of Chechnya, fearless and free, in the heart of the conflict, where chaos meets destiny. With eyes like fire and a soul untamed, the second Chechen war, its legend remained, its legend remained. With eyes like fire and a soul untamed, the second Chechen